Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Ron Daily 55's Old School Music Review Podcast. This morning it's Reggae Thursdays and I'll feature the Sound Dimension. They were the house band for Studio One Records. They were the sound behind many early reggae Studio One Records classics that came out. One of their songs you can listen to, Walking Through the Door. The members are Festus Earl, Bagger Walker, Leroy Sibbles, Brian Atkinson, and Leroy Sibbles, he's also a bass player as well as a singer. Keyboardists, a list of them, Robbie Lynn, Denzel Lane, Lloyd Richard, Ace Richards. That's Paul Dixon, known as Pablo Black, Roland Richard, Gladstone, Gladdy Anderson, and Jackie Mito. On saxophone, you had Cedric Brooks, Roland Alfonso, Carl Bryan, Carl McLachlan, Ed Bennett, Dennis Campbell, Edley Bennett, Herman Marquis. On trombone, Vin Garden. On trumpet, Johnny Dizzy-Moore, David Madden, Bobby Ellis. On drums, Philberto, Phil Callender, Leroy Arsmouth Wallace. And you know that he's famous from that movie, Rockers, where he gave you that nice, created that Rockers sound. Joe Isaacs, Noel Alfonso. And then on guitar, Eric Frater, Val Whitaker, Ja Privy, Philberto, Phil Callender. On melodica, Monty Alexander, Paul Dixon, aka Padlove Black again. And for vocals, you had Alton Ellis, Freddie McKay, and also Mr. Leroy Sibbles again. And Boris Gardner also did some bass work in that group also. So until next time, hope you have a great day. Remember, God loves you. Jesus is the only way.